The County Materials family of companies is grateful for the many women who work for our organization. They are changing perceptions about manufacturing careers and moving the concrete manufacturing industry forward. We're proud to share their stories.
My name is Korie and I've been with the company for 10 years. The most rewarding part of my job is the tasks and duties that I perform every day. It's challenging at times, but we work as a team. We all work together. We get the job done. My experience as a woman in manufacturing definitely has been rewarding. There's so many opportunities here. You can work in an office environment, you can work in a plant, you can be a driver. If you put your heart and soul and you're interested in where you are, that just engages you to be the best you can be.
We believe that our team members are the key to our success, and their dedication and talents make us stronger. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.